replacing complex Excel solutions with Apparo and Qlik Sense. Excel is not very suitable for managing data. Here you see a better way, with Apparo and Qlik Sense. You can integrate Apparo in a normal Qlik Sense app. After the pre-selection, a list view is displayed, which allows you to change some data. Apparo reads directly from existing relational database tables or views. Data changes are immediately visible. Apparo uses the Qlik security system, so you always have full control over who can see and change which data. Let's take a look at our commenting possibilities. Comments are stored in your own relational database. The next important feature is traceability. With Apparo, you always have an overview. Who has changed, what, when, and how. Our traceability features are Auditing, History, Business Log. The next feature I want to show is the Excel Export and Import. This feature offers many setting options, and provides the same security and data validity checks as the manual data entry. The row import can handle 10,000s of rows. Mark the rows you want to import, and copy and paste it to Apparo. The Excel import is written directly into your relational database, and can be used by Qlik or other systems. Supported are copy and paste, file import, Excel email import. Let's take a look at the embedded detail window. We have inserted a file widget here. It allows you to upload and download files. The files are stored either in the database or on the server. You can also forward any data via email, for example, as part of a workflow. The user specifies a reason and selects the responsible editor, then he sends the case by email. The email recipient is read from the security system, in our example. Optional attachments can be added. The content is generated. Supported are multi-level workflows, auto status and notifications, email features, dynamic content, backlinks and direct actions. Our last example contains simple application logic. Based on the selection of the rows in the upper right corner, a target value is calculated and entered in the corresponding cell as the default value. Application logic means you can run executables, perform calculations, and start actions. With this feature and your data, you can connect everything with other systems to one application. If you can handle Qlik Sense, you can handle Apparo too. Advantages: easily create apps, integrated in Qlik Sense. Define features with the mouse. Attach documents. Self-service. Manage data centrally. Runs in a browser. For a free 60 days trial, and more information, visit us on apparo.solutions.